Hey friends, in this video we will take a look on two new keyboards from IQUNIX and compare different switches to understand which from them will work the best for you. There are timestamps in the video below, so if you are looking to check out sound only for specific switch type, feel free to jump to that place in the video, but do not forget to drop a like before leaving. Let's start with disclaimer. IQUNIX sent keyboards to me for free, but do not sponsor this video and even wasn't asked to make this video. Back to the topic. A80 and L80 are both 80% layout keyboards with 87 keys. You still have all the function keys but don't have numpad. I like smaller keyboards and do not miss numpad. Even I used the F96 keyboard with numpad for almost a year. I like the IQUNIX keyboard design and 80's keyboards looking outstanding for my eye. Keyboards are visually unique, colors, backlight, overall design, product build quality and even packaging are on the top level. Keyboards support 3 connection types: USB-C cable, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz USB receiver. My previous keyboard F96 has 3 Bluetooth modules that can switch between 3 different Bluetooth devices. The new keyboard supports switching between 2 devices. You are switching between Bluetooth and wireless adapter. Keep this difference in mind if you have to have 3 Bluetooth devices connected. With new models, that will be not possible. For me, this configuration works very well, even better than those 3 Bluetooth modules. Switching between devices works faster and is more stable. I'm using a Bluetooth connection to connect with the iPad and wireless dongle to connect with M1 MacBook Pro. I'm switching to USB-C connection to use Hackintosh to run Windows or play some games. RGB lighting looks nice and you can switch between many different color schemes and lighting patterns. I usually stick with static light at night and switch it off by day, but you can go all in RGB disco lighting. Typing test. So, let's look at the difference between blue, brown and red switches. I will start with the most clicky blue switches. You can hear and feel clear when the keystroke is registered. Sure, there is sound when keycap is coming back as well. So hear how it sounds when you are typing. If you ever work next to me in open office, please do not use this keyboard. So those blue switches are quite loud. Cherry browns are not so loud and you're still getting significant tactile feedback when typing. In this F96 keyboard and all my previous mechanical keyboards I used brown switches. Probably that is the safest choice for first mechanical keyboard. There is no clear clicky sound if we're comparing again with this blue switch and brown. So here is now this clear clicky sound and you just hear how keycap hits to the bottom and come back to the top. Keycaps are still jumpy and you have tactile feedback writing and typing on this keyboard. In A80 keyboard I have silent cherry red switches. Those are the most silent ones. If you like to work in an open office using mechanical keyboard, this could be the best option. Here is no sound on the way down and keycap jumping back to the start position almost silently. When you are typing on this keyboard, you still hear the sound when switches are moving all the way down, but that is it. The sound level is very minimal. Membrane keyboards are not much more silent comparing with this one. Hear how this keyboard sounds when we are typing on it. My first reaction on silent switches was like, no, I wouldn't say I like it, but after a few hours of usage they grow up on me and I see myself using them if I should work with other people around, to do not be that guy with loud keyboard. The excellent news about A80 and L80 A80 keyboards, switches are hot swappable. So if you will buy the keyboard and you like to change switches later, that is easy task to do. Just pull out the switch and replace it with another type of switch. There is switch removal tool in the box. You can find switches in different price ranges online. I will not go deeper in details about them, but believe me, we are still just scratching the mechanical keyboard world's surface. Which one I will use from those keyboards? I will keep this A80 around for late night work and gaming sessions. I'm working from home but quite a few people are trying to sleep at night in my apartment, so silent keys will help. But I like design of the L80 formula a bit better, and I fall in love with cherry blue switches in it. So this will be my primary keyboard from now. IQUNIX F96, it's looking great. I really like it. I still like its design, and brown switches are great, not too loud to use at night and still more pleasant to type comparing with silent switches, but I prefer smaller keyboards and I really like the new design and colors of this one. So F96 will be retired and moving to my daughter's room to work as iPad keyboard. If you like to know more about the IQUNIX F96 keyboard, here is dedicated review for it, check that out. Also, you may like to jump into keyboard playlist and do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.